Share your thoughts and ideas by liking and commenting on the video below. And don't forget to tap the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our contents.
Prosecutors requested the autopsy report sealed from the public until after Chris Watts goes on trial for the August murders of his wife and his 2 daughters. However, the Weld County District Court has denied the request and temporarily siding with the argument presented by a group of media associations. In a court document filed Friday, the court denied the DA's request to seal the autopsies of 34-year-old Shanann Watts and her 2 children, Bella, 4, and Celeste, 3, citing it lacked subject matter jurisdiction on the matter. Chris Watts, 33, is accused of killing his 15 weeks pregnant wife and 2 young daughters. He is charged with 5 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of first-degree unlawful termination of pregnancy and 3 counts of tampering with a deceased human body. Judge Marcelo Kopcow ruled that the request was improperly filed, saying the custodian of the autopsy reports, the Weld County Coroner's Office, must refile it, if it is to be considered. Coroner Carl Blesch said his office will release more information on Monday, after a consultation with the county's attorney on whether to file a petition to withhold the reports.
Thanks for watching. Check the description below to watch other videos dedicated to this case, and don't forget to tap the subscribe button below.